Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your phone application, then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Next go into block numbers option, and here we got 2 block numbers. So for unlocking, for example, this last number, click here in the right side to the cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. So let's try again this number and tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time, and we got success message. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.